पैसा नहीं है बट फिर भी आप अप टू 12 मंथ्स के लिए यहाँ पे फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट पैसा लेके रह सकते हो बेस्ड ऑन द कंडीशंस दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ न्यू जॉब. नाउ इमेजिन यू गॉट अ जॉब ऑफर इन जर्मनी, यू अराइव्ड हियर एंड यू ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एंड सडनली यू गॉट फायर्ड. अब क्या करोगे? वापस चले जाओगे? नहीं. आई हैव गॉट अ सोल्यूशन फॉर यू हियर. So in the past few videos I've been getting a lot of hate saying कि सब कुछ negative दिखाया है, कुछ भी positive बात नहीं बताई है about the cost of living, the jobs, which in fact is a fact. But today in this video I am going to talk about how can you survive here in Germany if you lose a job. So to apply this you must have at least worked in Germany for 12 months और आपने social security regularly pay किया हो तो then you are eligible for Arbeitslosengeld 1. So in today's video I am going to guide you through the step-by-step process of what you need to do financially, legally, mentally. So keep watching. Starting with the immediate steps. Number 1, get everything in writing. It is very important that you have a written termination letter. So जब आप claim करोगे unemployment benefits, that will be the first document those people are going to ask for. Second is check your notice period. Depending on your contract, it is usually between 3 months to 2 weeks. Please note, within this period you are officially employed and you will get your full salary in this time period. Now here's the most crucial step, you cannot miss it. Register yourself as a job seeker at Agentur für Arbeit, that is your nearest federal employment agency. अगर आपको पहले से पता है कि you are getting laid off, then do it 3 months prior, and if it's like a sudden laid off, then you can do it within the 3 days of getting the news. Hi, my name is Vaishali. I live in Regensburg, Germany and make content about my life here in Germany. So if you like my content, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now for this, what all documents do you need? Number 1 is your passport or your ID proof. Number 2 is your termination letter. Number 3 is your employment contract, either your pay slips. Number 4 is your social security number, and number 5 is your Steuer ID, that is your German tax ID. तो अभी तक हमने जो बात की है उसमें द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज एज सून एज यू नो कि आपकी जॉब जाने वाली है या जा चुकी है, यू रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ एज अनएम्प्लॉयड एट द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट agency. Second, you register yourself as a job seeker to claim those unemployment benefits, and there is a whole process. You will be called for an interview जहाँ पे आपको अपनी सारी documents submit करनी पड़ेंगी, and once they approve all your documents and within like a month, and it can also take 2 months, you will start getting your unemployment benefit. So do not worry. Now the major question is, how much will you get? How much money will you get if you do not have a job here in Germany? So generally it is 60% of your net income, and it can be 67% if you have a kid. And if you are above 50 and आपने यहाँ पे बहुत काम किया है, then you can get it for 24 months. But usually this Arbeitslosengeld will be given to you for 12 months. Now as long as you are getting your unemployment benefits, you are covered under public health insurance, so you do not have to panic about that. तो वो आपका insurance भी pay करेंगे, so chill. Now the most important part for non-EU citizens. So अगर आप यहाँ पे आपका जो residence card है वो either blue card है और work visa है, then it can impact on your stay here in the country if you lose a job. So it is very important कि आप अपने foreign office में immediately inform कर दो about your job loss, and they will decide whether you can stay here or not. Mostly it depends on how keen you are to find a new job. There is a grace period of 3 months. अगर आप उसमें अपना job नहीं ढूंढ पाते हो तो there are chances that they might send you back. But in today's world आजकल बहुत जुगाड़ हो गया है. Like for example, there is job seeker visa which is valid for 6 months, and then you can also apply for opportunity card which is valid for 2 years, बट उसमें कुछ कंडीशंस होती हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपका ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट होना चाहिए एक्सेट्रा, उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे, बट होपफुली वहाँ तक बात ना पहुँचे, इसीलिए ट्राई टू फाइंड अ जॉब विद इन द 6 months period. So next step is the financial support. So apart from the support you get from the government, there are few steps that you need to take yourself. जो भी आपकी फालतू सब्सक्रिप्शंस हैं, just cancel that out. Reach out to your bank. अगर आपने कोई लोन लिया है, so ऐसी financial hardships में यहाँ पे बैंक आपकी हेल्प करते हैं. So they will either stop your loan payments or they will reduce it. So do reach out to them and talk to them about your current situation. I know losing a job can be very straining. It can be very stressful. So if you need to consult a doctor or get into therapy, then you can. It is usually covered under public insurance. But do not worry, यहाँ की government आपको पूरा का पूरा चांस देती है टू फाइंड अ न्यू जॉब एंड जस्ट सेटल इन मीनवाइल. आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. प्लस अगर आपके पास इतना टाइम है, देर आर सम ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स विच आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, सो यू कैन जस्ट टेक देम एंड अपस्किल योर सेल्फ. In the meantime, you find a job. So now if this video helped you, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will keep making such videos. So please support the channel and keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.